Yeah, all of you, tell me what was the last question we did day before yesterday, whenever the class was.
Sir, we have done the question. Our flight started from Delhi at 2:10 p.m. and landed Mumbai at 4:25 p.m. Find the duration of flight in
The car started from Delhi at what time? Sorry,
2:10
and reached
2:10 p.m. 2:10 p.m.
and reached Mumbai in
4:25.
Answer was coming 375 minutes.
So I was not.
No, sir, the answer was 1:34 minutes.
So my answers was coming 135 minutes.
135 minutes. So, have you all found your answer in hours and minutes? You're telling me your answer in minutes. You should find the answer in hours and minutes.
Sir, I was not in the last class, so sir, can I write the heading reasoning and continue where you are from where you are starting?
Yes, yes. So, what was the answer of the last question in hours and minutes? Tell me the answer in hours and minutes. Everyone? Give me your answer in hours and minutes. You are telling me that your answer is 135 minutes. Convert this in hours and minutes. You don't know how to convert this in hours and minutes? Do you know how to?
1 hour 35 minutes.
No, beta. So let me help you.
Sir, we have to just divide it by 60.
Yes. Your answer was 135 minutes. This was your answer. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So how will you write your answer?
So what is the question?
We are talking about the question which we did in the last class only. Nothing new.
Okay, sir.
In that question, you are telling me that your answer was 135 minutes. I want you all to give me the answer in hours and minutes. So how do you convert 135 minutes in hours and minutes? You divide 135
Sir,
by
2 hours 15 minutes.
Correct. Divide 135 by 60. Okay. So it will go 2 times. 120. Subtract 120 from 135. The remainder is 50. Now the question here is the hours. 2 hours. And the remainder is?
And remainder is minutes.
2 hours 15 minutes. So 135 minutes is equal to 2 hours 15 minutes. Are you all able to understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, understand.
Very good. Ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down the question. A car started from.
Sir, can I continue from this only, sir, because I was not in last class?
Yes, better you can continue from here.
Yes, sir, a car started.
A car started from town A at 4:35 p.m. A car started from town A at 4:35 p.m. At 4:35 p.m. Can you tell me the question number?
Sir, question number 5.
Number 5.
5. A car is from town A at town A. This is your town A. Okay. So I'm making it simple for you all. A car started from town A. At what time the car started? At 4:35 p.m. Car started at 4:35 p.m. and reached. A car started from town A at 4:35 p.m. and reached. I hope you all are writing. And reached town B. And reached town B. And reached town B.
Can you repeat?
A car started from town A at 4:35 p.m. and reached town B. And reached town B in. And reached town B in.
Sir, please repeat. I am not able to hear.
A car started from town A and reached town B and reached town B in how much time? In 3 hours 45 minutes. In 3 hours 45 minutes. So it took 3 hours 45 minutes to go from town A to town B. That means the time taken in the journey. What is the time taken in the journey? 3 hours 45 minutes. Time taken in the journey is given 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay.
Sir, now we have to tell that at which time they reached.
Yes. So full stop. At what time the car reached town B? At what time? You have to tell the time. At what time the car reached town B? Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
At what time the car reached town B? Do it. Karan Lamba has given the correct answer in the chat box. Yeah, giving the answer, all of you. Ayushman, beta, the answer that you have given, it should not have minutes more than 60.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I by mistake I have write this answer. I have these. This is incomplete, sir.
Okay.
I am
correct.
Sir, my answer is correct. I have sent you in the chat box.
Hargun's answer is correct. Nandini's answer.
mine. Rishika Agarwal.
Sir, Dhiraj
Sir,
Sharma.
Lavanya Bhojwani answer.
Rishika, you have to tell the time. You are telling the duration. Lavanya's answer is correct. Nandini's answer, again, the problem is that you cannot have more than 60 minutes. So that is the problem in your answer, Nandini.
Then now it is correct.
Abhay Rana, there is a slight mistake in your answer. I think there is some problem in addition. Rishika Agarwal's answer is correct. Rupanshi's answer, a little problem. I think the problem is in addition. Rupanshi. Ayushman Rana, correct answer. Okay, I'm telling the answer. Now, how to do this? It is quite clear that the car started at 4:35 p.m. and it took 3 hours 45 minutes to reach Downbeat. So you have to add the 2 times and you can easily find out that at what time the car reached Downbeat. You have to add these 2. So first of all, you convert this in hours and minutes. So this becomes 4 hours 35 minutes. All right, or not?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is correct or not?
Which one? Tell me your name.
Sir, mine is correct.
Tell me your name.
Sir, mine is
Sir,
correct.
this one.
Sir, now mine is correct.
Rishika, is it PM or AM?
Sir,
Sir,
PM.
this is correct or not?
Which one? This one? Which one? You tell me your name and then are you showing it on the?
Sir, Shashwat Gupta.
You text me. You give your answer in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And I'm doing it. You can check from here, all of you. 4 hours 35 minutes and 3 hours 45 minutes. So you will add these 2. 3 hours 45 minutes. Now, what you all have done very easily. 35 plus 45.
Sir, I just texted you.
Okay. Beta, there is some mistake. So,
Sir, please check my answer.
35 plus 45, your name. Give me your name. Karamjeet. Karamjeet, is it AM or PM? 80 minutes. 35 plus 45 is 80. And 4 plus 3 is 7 hours. So 7 hours, 80 minutes. The problem is that 80 minutes is more than 60. It is more than 60. So what you will do?
Sir, it should be 8 hours.
Like this also, now
Sir,
I know my answer. Sir,
8 hours 20 minutes. 8 hours 20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes.
8:20 p.m.
7 plus 1 hour. 7 hours plus 1 hour.
8:20 p.m.
1 hour कहाँ से आया? यहाँ से आया. And plus 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this becomes 8 hours 20 minutes. Are you getting it, all of you? Now simply 8 hours 20 minutes. You have to convert it in time. So it becomes 8:20
p.m.
p.m. Clear, everyone? All of you understood?
Yes, sir. So
Ready
my
for
addition was like this also. Now I know my answer 8:20 p.m.
Yeah. So ready for the next one, everyone?
Sir, please
sir.
wait.
Yes, sir.
Same type of question, just changing the numbers. Section 6, you can write the same language. A car started from town.
Again, we have to write the answer in chat box.
Yes. So a car started from town A at 9:20 a.m. 9:20 a.m. and reached town B in 6 hours 46 minutes. 6 hours 46 minutes. At what time the car reached town B? Tell me the time at which the car reached town B.
Sir, please repeat question.
बेटा सेम क्वेश्चन है, बस टाइम और चेंज कर दिया मैंने. सेम क्वेश्चन इट इज, just change the values.
So please tell the time.
But it is written on the board.
Sir, I have sent it a message on chat box.
Okay. Ayushman Rana has given the answer. I need to see. No, wrong answer.
Correct? No, not correct.
Not correct. 6 hours 46 minutes लिखा है. This is 46.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, in that fifth question, sir,
Sir, in this
It is 6 hours 46 minutes. 6 hours 46 minutes.
sir, in this time is coming above 12.
Yes,
Sir,
it is coming above 12.
sir,
So what you have to
So,
do?
sir, we will convert this in normal time.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay,
I
sir.
have done the fifth question, sir, with another trick, but sir, the answer is coming same. So, sir, I can use
No
that,
problem.
or
You can use any method. Any method you can use. Okay,
Okay, sir.
no problem. Okay. So I'm telling you the answer, all of you. 9:20. 9 hours 20 minutes plus 6 hours.
Sir, I will send the answer on chat box.
Okay, very good. 6 hours 46 minutes. I'm adding both of them, both the numbers. So 20 minutes plus 46 minutes. 66 minutes.
86.
66. 9 plus 6, 15
Oh, sorry.
hours.
66.
9 plus 6, 15 hours. Now 66 is again greater than 60. 60 se bada hai. So you convert this in hours and minutes. So 15, this becomes 15 hours plus 66 ko when you convert in hours and minutes, it becomes 1 hour and 6 minutes. 1 hour, 6 minutes. Okay.
The answer is 4 up.
60.
Sir, answer is
Sir, answer is 4 p.m. 4 p.m.
4 6
4
Sir, answer
p.m.
is
4 6 p.m.
4
6 p.m.
4 p.m. 4
4
p.m. 4 p.m.
4:06 p.m.
Sir, I had answered in chat box also.
4:06 p.m. Okay. So 16 hours and 6 minutes. This is 16. Now 16 is a number which is greater than 12. How can you give your answer in AM? You cannot give your answer in AM in such case when the number is greater than 12. What do you have to do? Very simple thing.
You have to minus
Subtract
12
12.
from the given number.
Subtract 12
I have
from
given
this, and then you will give your answer in PM because the time is above 12. Time is beyond 12. 12 o'clock के आगे बढ़ गया time. पहले 9:20 से शुरू हुआ था AM से. It started at 9:20 AM. That means कार को 12 o'clock से ज्यादा आगे ज्यादा टाइम लगा है. तो ऑब्वियसली 12 o'clock के ऊपर हम AM बोलते हैं या PM बोलते हैं. 12 o'clock जब दिन में 12 नून होता है, 12 नून के बाद क्या होता है? PM स्टार्ट होता है या AM स्टार्ट होता है? PM स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, so we will give an answer in PM and we will subtract 12. Subtract 12 from 16, so that means you get 4:06 PM. This is your answer. 06 लिखेंगे. You will not write 4:06. You will write 4:06 PM. Clear?
Sir, I had written 4.
Okay, sir.
This means 6 minutes past 4 PM. 6 minutes past 4 PM. 4:06 PM. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, very good. Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going
Yes,
to
sir,
remove
ready.
this. I hope you all have done this. I'm going to remove this from the board.
Yes, sir. I have understood and I am ready for the next one.
Question 7.
So, वैसे
Yes.
what is decoding and encoding?
That I will explain, don't worry, in the next class. Tomorrow. Question 7. A car started from town A. A car started from town A and reached town B. And reached town B in 2 hours 30 minutes. In 2 hours 30 minutes. A car started
Sir,
from
car
town A-
started.
from town A and reached town B in 2 hours 30 minutes. Full stop.
Sir, from town A, at which time it is started?
Time is not given. Time is not given. A car started from town A and reached town B in 2 hours 30 minutes. The time at which the car started from town A is not given. Okay. Full stop. If the car reached town B at at 5:45 PM. If the car reached town B at 5:45 PM, at what time the car started from town A? At what time the car started from town A? Town A से कितने बजे start?
Send the answer in chat box.
Yes, you can send your answer in chat.
5 PM.
At what time the car started from town A?
At what time car
Sir, I have
started
sent it.
Last line.
from town?
Sir, please check the answer.
Correct answer. Ayushman and Karan, both. Correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Write the time in AM and PM. Okay. Is it AM or PM?
Okay, sir.
Please repeat the line. Last.
At what time the car reached sorry, at what time the car started from town A?
Sir, I have added AM or PM.
Okay. Correct. Correct. Argun, correct. Very good. Lavanya, correct.
Sir, is my correct?
Correct. Very good.
Please check my notes.
Karthik Khandelwal, correct answer. Very good.
Sir,
Adhiraj,
please
correct
check
answer.
of Adhiraj Sharma.
Adhiraj Sharma,
Thank you,
correct
sir.
answer. Abhay Rana, correct answer. Very good.
Sir, please check my.
Correct answer. Abhay Rana.
Okay.
Yeah. May I tell you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, Nandini also correct answer. In this case, the time at which the car started from A is not given, but it reached town B in 2 hours 30 minutes.
Sir, please check my answer.
5:45 p.m. Okay. Karamjeet, correct answer. So in this case, it is clear that you will subtract. मुझे टाउन ए से किस समय चली थी ये पता लगाने के लिए I have to subtract the time. So 5 hours 45 minutes. इसमें से 2 hours 30 minutes you will subtract. Okay. Subtract करेंगे. How do you subtract? 45 minus 30, 15 minutes. No problem. 5 hours minus 2 hours.
Sir, please check my answer in chat box.
Correct answer. 5 minus 2, 3 hours. So 3 hours, 15 minutes. That means the car started from town A. The car started from town A at 3:15 p.m. PM or AM?
Sir,
PM.
Sir, PM.
PM.
Sir, PM.
PM.
When
Sir,
the
PM.
car reaches to town B, it is PM.
Yes. It is started at 3:15 p.m. Okay. Next one.
So, what is the next question?
Yeah. Giving the next question, same type of question, only numbers I am going to change now. Change the numbers.
So, what is the question 8?
Same type question, same type, exactly same type. Only the numbers are changed. 3 hours, 50 minutes. It took 3 hours, 50 minutes to reach from town A to town B. And
Sir, we have to copy the.
no, you have to write the language which I made you write down in the last question. Copy down the same language, just change the numbers. Okay. Same language you have to copy down and change the numbers.
Sir,
Now,
can I send this work in WhatsApp group after the class?
If you want, you can. Then the car reached town B at 6:15 p.m. You have to tell the car started at what time. From town A, the car started at what time?
Sir, I have sent an answer on the group.
Very good.
Okay, box.
Very good. 260 is not right. Not correct. 350, 3 hours 50 minutes, 50 level. 3 hours 50 minutes, and this is 6:15 p.m. 15, 15.
Okay, sir.
Karan, little mistake is there in your answer. No, still the answer is not correct. Karan. Nandini, not correct.
Sir, send it.
Not correct. Ayushman.
Okay, sir.
Argun, not correct.
Sir, but 3 hour 5 minutes is the correct answer or not?
No, not correct.
Okay, sir.
Karanjit, not correct. Till now, we have not got the right answer. No one has given the correct answer till now.
Sir, 3 hours 35 minutes are correct.
No, not correct. Adira Sharma, not correct. Karan Lamba, not correct. Rishika Agarwal, not correct. Shashwat Gupta, not correct. Shashwat Gupta, not correct. No one has given the correct answer till now.
Sir, just wait for some more time.
So please see mine. Sir, is 3 hours. Correct answer.
Tell me your name.
Sir, Karthik.
Karthik, where is your answer? Not correct, Karthik. Argun, not correct. Okay, I am telling now. Rishika, not
Sir,
correct.
1 minute.
Unnati, not
Sir,
correct.
sir, when we take borrow from 6, the 1 hour will get in minutes.
So let me tell you where you are doing it wrong.
Please check my.
You are not able to subtract 6 hours 15 minutes when you are subtracting. You are having facing problem in this. 3 hours 50 minutes. You are facing problem in this. 15 is smaller than 50. You are facing problem in this. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir, and borrowing also.
Yes. So what to do in such cases? In such cases, you convert the time in minutes. 6 hours, 15 minutes, you change this in minutes. 6 into 60, how do you change the time in minutes? 6 into 60 plus 15. What is this? 360 plus 15, 375 minutes. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this also 3 hours, 50 minutes also you change in minutes. 3 into 60 plus 50. 3 into 60 plus 50. So 3 into
230
60 plus
minutes.
50.
230 minutes.
230.
Now subtract 375 minus 230. What is the difference? The difference is 145 minutes. 145 minutes.
Sir, the answer is 145 minutes.
145 minutes. Now you again change 145 minutes in hours and minutes by dividing it by 60. 60 से divide कर लो 145 को. 2 times 120. The remainder is 25. What is the remainder? 25. 2 hours 25 minutes.
2:25 p.m. 2 hours 25 minutes.
5 p.m.
For 2 hours 25 p.m.
Okay, sir.
That is true.
2 hours 25 minutes.
Sir, now I understood.
Sir, understood.
So this was a tricky one. This was the reason why I gave it. Understood, all of you? Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
This time,
No, sir.
okay. You can note down this in your copies first. I'm waiting.
Sir, please explain again.
Beta, first you simple है. First you convert 6 hours 15 minutes in minutes. You have know how to convert. You know how to convert in minutes. 6 hours to 6 multiplied by 60. It is converted in minutes and plus 15. 6 into 60 is 360. 360 plus 15 is 370. So convert in minutes. Similarly, convert 3 hours 50 minutes also in minutes. So this becomes 230 minutes. Now find the difference. Minus ही तो करना है. ये तो सबको मालूम है minus करना. 375 minus 230 is equal to 145 minutes. 145 minutes. Again, you change 145 minutes in hours and minutes. So to convert 145 minutes in hours and minutes, you divide 145 by 60. Divide 145 by 60. So you get 2 in the quotient and 25 in the remainder. So this means 2 hours 25 minutes. 2 hours 25 minutes. That means the answer is 2:25 p.m. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Have a
day.
good day. Bye. Take care. Question 6.
I will give you another question tomorrow. Okay, don't worry. More questions will be given to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Bye. Bye.